So this short video is just going to go over how to use Google Sheets to calculate averages and basically get you to the mean absolute deviation of what we had done in class, writing the numbers out and then using our calculator. So here's a third method using Google Sheets. So basically what I did was I put in 12 temperatures here. I also put in some headings. I typed those in. So you want to put in your 12 numbers from your assigned city. And then somewhere down here, I'm going to calculate the average. The way I do that is I type in equals, and I start to type in the word average, A-V-E, and then notice how all these different choices come up. I want this one right here, average of a data set. So I click on that, and then I want to highlight just these numbers, 38 through 40. So I'm going to click and scroll all the way down, so those are highlighted. And then I'm going to hit enter, and that gives me my average of those numbers. The average temperature is 55.83. You can just round that to 55.83. Now up here, I want all my deviations from the data set to the mean. So I'm going to type in equals. I don't want to do each of these separately, so I'm going to click after equals this cell, A3, and I'm going to subtract my mean, which is down here, 55.83, and I'm just going to abbreviate it as 55.83. I'm going to hit enter. So it gives me the deviation for 38 minus 55.83. Now, to do that for all these, the bottom right of this box, once there's this little cross, click and scroll all the way down and let go, and it gives you all the deviations for temperatures for months January through December. Now the absolute deviations, I want to take the absolute value of these numbers. So here I press equals, and then I start to type in absolute value, and notice how this choice comes up, ABS. So I'm going to take the absolute number of, and then I'm going to highlight just B3, and I'm going to hit enter, and it should give me positive 17.83. Again, I go to the bottom here, click on where the cross shows up, click and scroll down and hit enter. There are all of my absolute deviations. So then the final step is calculating the mean absolute deviation. So I have to take the average of these 12 numbers. So equals, start typing in average. This is the one I want right here, numerical value. Highlight all these. Oops. Highlight all these. So I should have 12. Hit enter. And there's my mean absolute deviation. So this number right here would represent your city's mean absolute deviation. Okay? So that's a way to use two different formulas to calculate averages, take the absolute value of a number, and get your mean absolute deviation. So I'm going to type in here mean, and I'm going to type in mean absolute deviation. I'm going to make this a little bit wider. So if you had trouble in class, hopefully this video helps you. This is going to be now the number that you're going to have for